Thanks for dropping by the My AI Marketing Solutions YouTube channel. On our channel, we provide information about AI marketing applications. Today, we are continuing our series on our flagship product, My AI Marketing Accelerator, or MAMA for short. If you have not done so already, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let us know what you liked most about this video in the comment section. Today, we are reviewing another marketing module in our app called Promo Email. Our tool, My AI Marketing Accelerator, provides you with a one-click solution for generating a promotional marketing email. By using either a URL for the thing you want to generate a promotional email for or using text to create a description of what you want to promote, My AI Marketing Accelerator will use that information and do the heavy lifting for you. In this example, we will use our website, myaimarketingaccelerator.com, as the thing we want a promotional email for. Here, we simply paste the URL here, select the language model we want to use, make sure we select Promo Email, and then hit Submit. Take a look at this. This is a great email, and you could use this as is or modify it. If you don't have a website to use, simply provide a description of the thing you want to promote. In this example, we will pretend we are promoting a workshop that explains how My AI Marketing Accelerator can be used to help marketers easily create their marketing content. Here, we paste in the text, select the language model we want to use, and hit Submit. Now, take a look at this. Not bad, huh? As before, you can either use this text as is or modify it. That is it for this week's video. Come back next week for another tutorial on how to use My AI Marketing Accelerator to help you with your business. If you have not done so, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let us know what you liked most about this video in the comment section. See you in the next video.